And to get that one simple, we have to divide this center, this 18 millimeters, so that we get the what the we are told that the 30 is actually starting from this line, and we know from here till here is 30 millimeter, and we have this vertical main center line. So we are going to divide it into, we're going to say 18 divided by 2, we are getting 9 millimeter, isn't it? So there is my 9 millimeter. Then I mark at 0 and mark at 18. Then from here I can now measure at 30 millimeter. So my 30 millimeter is ending here, and there's the half of it is ending here, which is the one that we are looking for. So which means, again, since I've gotten this 18 millimeter, which we know which is going to change dark, this one, it will be dark, it will be dark. So, and this 18, it's going to be fitted, what's going to be fitted there is item 5, which means without fear or favor I can have this one solid from here till there, and again from here till there. I've gotten from here till there is 18, isn't it? So if from there till there is 18, I can now come back to have this one, this part of your item 2, from here till here dark, from here till here dark, from here till here it will disappear, again from here till here remain, from here till here it will disappear. So which means I can have it like this, further extend it just a little bit, even here just a little bit, even down there, there you go, here you go, you understand? So now let's come back to have this one complete. So from here till there, from here till there is 15, from here till there is 15 millimeter. I can put this smaller vertical center line, you understand? And then right from there I can draw diameter 18. That's a ruler 18. This is my 18. So the moment I'm drawing this diameter 18, so it's good as if I'm talking about the second item of what? Of item 5, this one, you understand? So down here I can close it, there you go. Why am I closing here? Because of item 5 we are told what is close up like this, so that you can even draw its head like this now, the side. But now let's finish up with item 2 complete. So this one, it will disappear, this one, it will disappear from here till here, it will disappear, it will disappear. Now we can consider drawing item 3 in item 2. So right from this diameter 18, and this diameter 18, which I said is item 5, but facing you now, facing you can see if I'm putting this pencil towards the camera like this, you cannot see its height, you can only see the diameter of it, even if I'm putting it like this. You see, that's what item 2 the second of item 5 is facing you. The set 2, so the first one is this one, that's going to be vertical. The second one is this one that will be facing you like this. So now the set is of diameter 18, which correspond with this one, item 3. So now diameter radius 20, open it to radius 20, which is this one. This is my 20. Now I come and put it here. So I'll draw it faint. Draw it faint. Why? Because of it's actually at the back. This one that I'm drawing is actually this one. So remember, we cut it like this. The one it was after the cutting plane and the other one before the cutting plane. So now after I've drawn this line faint, it's good as if it's that one, isn't it? So I'm going to measure dimension from here till there, which is 45. From here till here is 45 millimeter, which is this one. 45, there is my 45 millimeter. My 45 millimeter is this one. So I put a horizontal faint line, vertical faint line. Why am I confusing that? So now from here till here is 45, right? From here till here is 45, which is this one. So we are, let's get this one, which they said is 65 divided by 2. 65. We work up according to the center line. Along the center divided by 2 is 31. So which means from here going up 31, there is my 31 right there. So I can mark it 61, 62 and mark it 0. You understand? So now I am going to join this point with what? With this one, with the circumference of that line that I just drew, this one. And again, let me draw it faint for now, from here till there, right there. Then now remember the part of your item of your item 2, this one. From here till here it will come just a little bit, you understand, which is which one? Which is this one. So from here till there it will come, it will become dark. From here till here again dark. So let's do it. From here till there dark, and again from here till there dark. So you see this one, it will now, remember it was this, so it will be dark from here till there just a little bit, even down here. You understand? It's talking then from here it will be, it's talking about this part, that one just a little bit there. So this one, it will appear, it will be at the back as such that you can draw it in hidden, but then the hidden details are not allowed because we are going to put hatches there. You understand? So from there, let's see what do we have. Let's take a closer look like this. Let's say they said, can you draw a full sectional front view of item 2? Understand? So this one was going to change dark from here till here, it was going to disappear. This one was going to change dark, then your hatches, they were going to go like this. So which means we have to have this one back, we have to draw this one back, and we know what from here till here is 30 millimeter. So this is my half, this is 30. Okay, we've gotten that 30, and let's check the vertical. So it's 30 upwards as well. So this is my 15, then I mark it 0 and 10, 15, 20, so I mark it 30 as well. Understand? So I take them faint, this is it, and this is it. So you have to be very careful with your item 2. So now I can have it dark like this. So my 30 is here, then from here till there dark, and from here till there, remember it's this one, which is this one, so that you go up till there. So which means even here I have to go down till there. You understand? So because of, it's good as if we are getting this one, like as I've explained before. So there you go, dark till there, even here you go, dark till there. So there you go. Yes, this is 15. Yes, it is 15 millimeter. So now this is going to be the part of item 2, and there by your item 2, now this one, it will become clear because the hacksaw will start to cut from here till there is not cutting anything. So it started to cut from here till there, the hacksaw, which means what you're going to is going to be in section from here till there. So this one from here till there, it will become dark. So from here till there is 30 millimeter. Which is this one. There it is. So there by my 30, I can have a vertical a constructional line. So, and we are told Uti is throughout. So from here till there, which means even here, without fear or favor, I can have this one solid. So check this. There by your item 2, we've already gotten this one. This one, it will be dark. This one, we got it, which is that one. So now again, from here till there, it will disappear. From here till there, it will disappear. So to get that, we know what the outside diameter, which is from here till there, is how much? Is 37 millimeter, of which is what you did this side. So remember the 37. This 37 from here till here tallies with what? With this one from here till here. So that is why we'll have these points. This one, you took it right from here, there it goes, which means just mark here again from here till here, there it goes, which means just mark there, which is the what? Which is the outside diameter from here till here, and from here till there. So which one is that one? Is this one from here till there? You understand? Because from here till here, it will disappear, and we are told that from here till here is diameter 37, which correspond with what we did in item 1. You understand? So which is this one. So now I can record a dimension again, which how long from here till here is 25 millimeter. So we are actually given everything here, guys. That is why I'm saying this was simple, straightforward. Today is my 25 ending. And so where my 25 ending, I can have a constructional line going down. So let me come back and extend this horizontal center line of mine. Extend it. Understand? So now dark from here till there, then dark from here till there. So which one is this one? It's this one. All together. So again, we are told to go to now from here till here is what? Is this diameter 25. So which means this one 20 from here till here, half of 25, which is 12.5. Even from here till here, half of 25, 12.5, of which is what we did there by your item 1. So you just extend these faint lines, which is what we did. It's this one, this side, extend it, there you go. Understand? So which means I can have a solid line that's gonna behave like this from here till there. Which one is this corner? It's this one, from here till there, because from here till here it will disappear. So again, from here till here dark is that one, from here till there. Thereby you at your top, the front view of item 3, dark here, right? So now from here going in, they told us that is 31, and this 31 correspond with what? With this one. You understand? Correspond with that one. So where's your 31? 30, 31 is this one. So my 31 is ending right there. So I can draw this one dark now, from here till there, dark, which is this one. It has became dark, because from here till there it will change dark, dark, solid. You understand? So now I can draw this one. The moment I'm drawing this one, further extend them further like that, I'm now considering item 7 fitted as well. So this is item 6, which is this one, then item 7, which is this one. You understand? So now have your drawing compass, then you have this, there you go, and like this you go. Then I can now close it. There you go. So that becomes your item 7. Your item 7 fitted like that. So now let us see what is going to be left now. So let's complete what the head of item 5, where down here, because item 3 is already there, item 4 it will be fitted up there. So let's complete the head of item 5. So from here till here is of a thickness of 10 millimeter, which is this one. There it is 10 millimeter, and then is of diameter 30. So which means I'm going to say 15 this side and 15 this side. There is my 15. So 30 and 0. Now take them just a little bit. Then now I have this. So there you go, dark. And again the side. So there you go, dark. So we've already gotten what item. So I think my lines, they are not okay. I think we've gotten this head now. So now we can record a dimension from here, which is this one, not there, which is this one, going up 102 millimeter from here till up the 102 millimeter. So 100, this is my 100, 101, 102 millimeter is this one. So once I get the 102 millimeter, I put the horizontal center line. I must put the horizontal center line. Let me position this machine very well. So it's this one. So there it is. So this line is which one? Is this one? Is the center line now, and there is diameter 6. Okay? So now we can, before even put item 8, which is the pin item 8, let's fit what item 6 there. Item 6. So item 6, diameter 18, diameter 18, diameter 6, diameter 6. So item 6 is going to be fitted there. And is there a washer? No, there is no washer. So we are putting item 6 from here till there, it will disappear. From here till there, it will disappear. From here till here, it will disappear. This one, it will change dark. This one change dark, 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 dark. So it's of the height of 14 millimeter. So 14 divided by 2 is 7 millimeter. So this is 5, 6, 7. So your 14, this is 15, 14. It's exactly at this line. You can tell Uguti we are actually at a right track. Our dimensions are correct. So this one, it will be closed like this. Then now this one, it won't be dark further, so you can from immediately just erase a little bit, because it's supposed to stop there. So now it's off. Let's see, the outside diameter is diameter 30. So we're going to say this is 15, I mark it 30 and mark it 0. Understand? Then this one, I can even draw them dark from here till there, and from here till there. It's this one. Then from there, there will be a pin, which means again from here till here it is to disappear, from here till here it will disappear. So I'm going to erase somewhere there in the middle. Let me erase it so that we expose that pin of diameter 6. Let's fit it before even forget. So the set is of diameter 6, so which means it's 3 millimeter this side, 3 millimeter. So 1, 2, 3. So I mark it 0 and mark it 5, 6. You understand? So the pin, this one. So what is the length? So which means from here till here disappear, from here till here disappear. So the length of the pin, the set is 40 millimeter. So the center, this center, it will be dividing the 40. So which means we're gonna say 20 this side and 20 this side. So 40 is ending here and 0 here. So just a little bit faint for now, then I can come. Let me zoom it out for you. Yes. So now have it dark from here till there, and again from here till there. So I can come back and have, this is diameter 6, isn't it? This is it. So which one is this one? It's item 8. Item 8 fitted there. Then from there till there is 14, which is item 4. From here till here 14. You understand? So now let's see how is it gonna fit now. And we are told that from the center going up is 10. Of item what? Of item 5. Remember, from here till here is 102 millimeter, which ended here. Then from here going up 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter. So from here till there, that's our 10 millimeter. So where my 10 millimeter ends, I'm gonna put a faint horizontal constructional line, which is this one. There it goes. Understand? So now this one, it will go upside down, it will go up further, passing your item 4 till I'll draw it faint. Why? Because of it's not a sharp corner. You see, it's not a sharp corner there, it's not a sharp corner even. So that is why this other side I'm drawing it faint. So again, the side, and draw it faint for now. So now I can draw it like this now. From here till there, it's this one. Go down a little bit. So there you go. Like this. And even this side. Like this. Understand? So that now I can come and finish up the item 4. From here till they disappear, from there till they remain. So there's your item 4. Which is this one. So I think all the items are now fitted. Item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, item 5, item 6, item 7, item 8. They are all fitted. So now we have to section. So now let's section our drawing. So the bigger the item is, the huge the bigger becomes the separation of your hatches. So now we're gonna start with item 1, which is this one. So I decide to start here. So this one, from here till here, it will be sectioned. Item 1, there you go, there you go, there you go. Item 1, this side go, this side will go, this side will go. This side will go. Then side to go, side to go, side to go, side to go. So that's your item 1. So I'll use 9 millimeter. So I can name it as what? Item 1. Right? So where's your item 2? Item 2 is this one, which means it's that one. So if the hatches, they were in a clockwise direction of item 1, so item 2 will be anti-clockwise, a little bit smaller. So there you go. Item 2. Remember, from here to here is that shaft, which is item 5. So you can section there. There you go. There you go. There you go. Like this you go. Like this you go. you go. Item 2. That's my item 2. So you can label it this way. This way. Diameter 9. Can use any diameter, even diameter 8. It's okay. This is diameter. This is item 2. Then where is your item 3? Which is this one. Remember this, from here till here it will disappear. What you're going to be section is only here. The hacksaw didn't cut it anything here, so we don't put hatches here. So there you go. There you go. Item 3. So there you go. So there you go. There you go. There you go. Like this you go. Like that you go. Simple, eh? This was the simplest assembled drawing ever. There you go. There you go. Like this you go. Right, so you can label it and be like item 3. So that's how you label. Remember, we are answering diameter. We are answering a question to somebody that doesn't know. You understand? So this is item 3. So the person will be reading this drawing must be able to interpret it. So let's go to item 4, which is that one. So this one dark, 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 this one dark. From here till here disappear, from here till here disappear, from here till here disappear, disappear, which is what we have now. So what's going to be in sectioning is only this one. So item 3, it's very small. So even the hatches, they must be very small. There you go. Item 3. There you go. There you go. There you go. So you label it. Item 3. You have to indicate with this dot. Then diameter 9. There you go. So this item 4. Understand? Then item 5, which is this one. Item 5, this one. There you go. Item 5. Then item 6, which is this one. This one. Eh? There you go. Item 6. This is item 6. Then item 7 is this one. There you go. Item 7 dot This is item 7. Then item 8, which is the pin. Which is that pin. So there it is, item 8, which is the last one. But then remember that the set 2 of item what? Of item 5. Where is the second one? Is this one. So which means you have to label it as well. Understand? You have to label it as well. You have to label it as well. So if the set 2 of item 5, we must see 2 of item 5. This is it. So 2 of item 5, and the 2 of what? Or 2 of item 4. 2 of item 4, which is the cooler. So 2 of item 4. Item 4 is which one? Is this one. Item 4. Where is the other one? The other one, you can ask yourself where it is. It is went out with what? With an offcut. And again, 2 of item 5. It went out with an offcut. Remember, we cut to separate it. We cut to expose the inside view. So the pin 2, which is item 8, it went out with an offcut as well. So we are going to have this item 5 in sectioning as well. This one supposed to be in sectioning because it was cutted across its length. Understand this one? So I can indicate with a dot here. So it's supposed to be in sectioning like that. And then again, I can only have okay, let me not even put that, because this item 5, it is not going to be in sectioning. We can only show that with what? It won't be in sectioning. You can only show that with something of this nature, and then you put hatches there. Then you actually symbolize this shaft is cutted along its length. But then, since we do not section a shaft that is cutted along its length, we do not section. So you can only do like this. So even this shaft, they were cutted along their length. So that's when you can have something of this nature. We only symbolize this shaft. The time the hacksaw was running there, this shaft, they were being assembled as well. They were cutted but along their length. So we do not section a shaft that is cutted along its length. But this one, it was cutted across like this one. You cut like this. But if you cut it like this, you see that you cut along its length. But if you cut like this, do you see that you cut across its length? So when you cut across, that's when you're going to section like this. When you cut along, that's when you're going to section like this. Okay. So even this side, you can do it anyhow, out of dimension. go, there you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. So that's how you symbolize a shaft being cutted along its length. So is there any question left? So if you have through this like this, then consider yourself at the right track. But then if you want the complete 30 marks, you have to print this. So you are going to print this down here, down here below your solution. You can print this the way as you can see it. 1 2 3 columns. You print the way as you can see, to write item, description, quantity, item 1 till 6, the name, just the way as you see it. And then again you write the scale 1:1 and the projection symbol, then you're gonna get 30 marks out of 30. So thank you very much guys for watching. That was Mr. Nkosi. See you on the next video. This is the solution. That was engineering drawing N3. Alright, bye, thank you. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. Subscribe so that more videos will be uploaded. Like and comment. See you on the next video. Okay, bye, thank you.